Good evening. I think we've had a score draw with the weather forecaster in the past 24 hours. That chilly start to the day we forecast arrived, and as you can see there was touch of frost in Scotland and Northern Ireland this morning, but things haven't quite gone so well further south. We've got this great swathe of cloud. It was that weather system we were looking at yesterday, and it's come to a grinding halt across England and Wales. It's still fairly active, as you can see on the local weather radars. Still quite a bit of rain across the West Country, up onto the eastern side of Wales and also into the Midlands, fringing Gloucester there and Birmingham. Now, I don't think things are going to change very much this evening, but that weather system will eventually start to wriggle its way further to the southeast overnight tonight, but it is going to be quite a slow process with a peppering of showers coming into some northern and western areas. Now, the problem will be, as that weather front clears to the southeast, fog will form, and I think it could turn out to be quite nasty fog, dense in places. Quite windy weather still across northwestern parts of the British Isles, with some showery rain moving in there overnight tonight. Now, where the skies are clear, particularly up over the higher ground of Snowdonia, there could be a touch of frost on the ground, and indeed up in the Northwest Highlands, the chance of some frost there as well. But elsewhere, I think the temperatures a little bit higher than they were last night, where the skies were clear. Into Wednesday, this second weather front is going to be a fairly weak affair, just bringing a scattering of mainly light showers southwards with it. And once that first weather front moves away from the southeast, I think we're all going to enjoy a much brighter day with top temperatures of 16 Celsius, 61 Fahrenheit. Into Thursday and Friday, and high pressure will be dominating the weather across the southern half of the country, but we will find these weather systems just grazing the top of that high. So for most of us, some fine autumn weather, some mist and certainly some chilly nights. But up in the far northwest, those weather fronts coming in off the Atlantic, bringing some thicker cloud with them. Initially, I think the rain in the far northwest, but I think by Friday the wind's freshening up even more, perhaps touching gale force once again, and that rain just edging a little bit further to the south. That's the forecast. Good evening.